I'm going to walk through the discussion diamond protocol. And what it is you will have jigsaw groups working together. So, for example, I might jigsaw my activities out, or my students could also work on the same topic. But for this, we were working at the beginning of the year on PBIS. And so, what students did is they had to focus on one area of the PBIS matrix. And students then were in different groups because, again, I wanted to jigsaw it. And each group worked on their own expert topic. Again, every student could have the same topic that they're working in their group. So the first thing is they had 5 minutes, and with that 5 minutes, the students worked in their own box right here. So again, I just set a timer. You can change the time if you need to. And I went ahead and just made a copy of the template. What I'm going to do is I go over to my Google Classroom, and I'm going to assign this assignment in my classroom. So here's my classroom, and I'm going to go to classwork, create, and it's going to be a Kami assignment. Once I click on create a Kami assignment, I can title this. I can add it to my Google Drive. Right here's the activity and hit select. I want to make a copy for every single student. Once I do that, I can come in here and choose my classes. And what I want to do is I only want to select certain students. So these students are going to be my leaders in my class. So again, I'm just coming in and I'm picking out the leaders, and these other students are going to be part of their group. Now that I have my 5 leaders selected, I'm going to then pick a topic. You can turn on feature controls, which turns on and off different features, and hit that assign. So again, it's just assigning to certain students. And what the students will do is they are going to go in to their course, and they're going to find that activity in their course. Once the students find that activity in their course, right there's the discussion diamond, they click open with Kami. The group leader, so again, just the group leaders have this assignment. The group leader is then going to come up top, and they're going to share using this paper icon. They're going to share this file, and they're going to either change it to their domain. If they're sharing it with someone outside of your domain, it would be anybody with the link. So again, they're going to change the link and make sure it says editor. They're going to copy this link, and you can either have them email it out. You can have them however you want to send it out. And so once you have this link right here, again, you're going to copy it, and students are going to send it to their partner. So they're going to find their partner. So here's my partner, Olivia, and then Olivia gets that link. Maybe she goes to her email. Olivia is now on the document along with student Stephanie. Okay, so this is how you would want to probably do it is, again, you would set a teacher that they would select certain students. That student pushes it out to all the other students in the group. Another way that you could do this is you as a teacher could go in, open up that assignment, and once you're in there, click open with Kami. This will give you class view. And from class view, you're going to be able to see all of your students working at the exact same time. And so I'm going to just zoom out just a little bit. And again, right here, I'm able to see all of my students at the exact same time. And so then I can provide support and scaffolds to my students. So again, your group leader will open it up. I usually make it the most techie or type A student in the group. They share it out to the others in the group. They open it, and then all of your students will be on the same document together. Then with the activity, students, 5 minutes, they have that first box. Then you set another timer. Usually I give a minute per student, and then they share their box with each other. So then again, I set a minute, they all share their ideas. And then step 3, they come together and they decide on what the group agreed or disagreed on, and they come up with their group consistence. So then from there, you can have them create a project or activity if you want to take it to the next step, or you can have them just quickly share their ideas with the class. But yeah, that is kind of the workflow when using Kami with your students. You'll want to assign it to a group leader. That group leader goes to the paper icon and shares that file. And then they have to change the settings so that it says anybody with the link, and then they share that. You might want to have that same kind of student maybe be the group leader throughout the year to make the workflow even faster in your classroom.